it's Gina from WTI. Do you love cute shoes as much as I do? Well, if you do, then you're going to absolutely love this pair from UMECOOL. One of my favorite things about these is how stable this chunky heel is. But I love that I don't have to sacrifice cuteness by having a pair of heels that I can actually walk in and that don't bother my feet. These heels are 3.2 inches high, and I love that there is a little bit of a platform in the front because that helps to contribute to the stability, along with the square inch chunky heel in the back. Also, this color is so nice and neutral and really pretty just on its own. It's beige, and these are made out of PU leather and are really standing up to a lot of the abuse that I give them, including walking through grass and gravel. I wear a size 7.5, and I would say these are true to size. They fit me really well, and I just love the cute ankle strap. I love wearing these with dresses or slacks. They look super cute with a pair of jeans, and I just think they're really versatile. Again, not just the style, but also the color. I get so many compliments on these shoes. They're definitely one of my favorite pairs right now. I don't think you're going to be disappointed with them either, and that's my point of view.